You know the chili's good when you do a chili dance. Hey everybody, it's Kelly. Today is day 4 of our pumpkin adventure. I have to redeem myself. The pumpkin fries were a complete failure, so we're gonna try another savory option for pumpkin. We're gonna do a white bean pumpkin turkey chili with, but not at the same time, a pumpkin pie smoothie option that's a little bit healthier than if I were to do ice cream or cream or whatever, but a healthier pumpkin smoothie option. So, okay, let's get to it. So today's recipe will be in the slow cooker. We're gonna start by adding a pound of ground turkey. Oh, that was lovely. To the ground turkey, you wanna add 1 small chopped white onion, and then 3 minced cloves of garlic, which is about that, or you know, 4, because it's garlic. There you go. All right, to this, we're gonna add 2 cans of Great Northern white beans. Make sure you drain the bean juice because nobody likes bean juice. Ooh. And 1 more can. All right. Now we need 15 ounces of pureed pumpkin, which you can get in a can, or I have homemade. You can use homemade. Homemade as in, like, I did indeed roast that pumpkin last night, and I'm gonna add it now. And I'm gonna eyeball. 15 ounces is about 2 cups. So 2 cups is 16 ounces. I think you'll be safe if you do like a full 2 cups. Pumpkin is really good for you. And this isn't going to be like a super pumpkin-y chili. This is going to be a regular chili. Pumpkin's just going to add some color to it. And it's also going to add like just extra vitamins and a little bit more texture as well. So I have a little bit more than 2 cups in there, but that's okay. It's all going to cook together. It's going to be great. We also need a 4-ounce can of chopped green chilies. Now let's add our spices. So, salt, black pepper, chili powder, cumin. Yeah, I know I'm not giving like exact measurements of this. Just go by taste, what you would use in your regular chili. We need 2 bay leaves. 2 bay leaves. That's not even fully 2, is it? Let's just add. Why are they so hard to get out of the jar? Let's add that. It won't hurt anything. They have to come out anyway, right? We added some olive oil. I have a sprayer of olive oil, so 1 spritz is a half a teaspoon. I did 2 sprays, so that's a teaspoon of olive oil, just to kind of help out. Also, let's add some cilantro to that as well. This is dried cilantro. I can't handle fresh. I'm one of those people that thinks cilantro, if like add it on top and it's fresh, tastes like soap. Was it like 15% of the world have some type of like weird cilantro thing? I'm one of them. And then last but not least, we're going to add 2 cups of chicken broth to all of this. Alright, we're good to go. Stick the lid on. Again, this is a slow cooker, so we're going to put it on high for 4 hours or low for 8 hours. Check it. Remember, it is poultry, so don't try it until that ground turkey is fully cooked. So, chili update. We've been cooking for a while. Check that out. Everything's cooking together really nice. It smells amazing. It's steaming up my camera. Yeah, this is gonna be really good. So, our chili's still cooking. I turned it from high to low. I did have it on high because I didn't make it until about 1 o'clock this afternoon. So I wanted to make sure it was done for dinner. But let's see what it's like to make a pumpkin smoothie in the meantime. So to our blender, we want to start out with a half a cup. This is frozen bananas and frozen sweet potatoes. If you see, like, I have some mango and pineapple in there, I kind of picked it out of like a mix, a medley. I just don't think the rest of the stuff will be good except for like the sweet potato and the banana. But I think 1 or 2 pieces of something else are not going to hurt at all. So even pineapple, I don't think pineapple would be too big of a deal. It might add slight sweetness to it as well. To this, we're going to need liquid. We're going to add half a cup of apple juice, 2 heaping spoonfuls of pureed pumpkin from the can. Like I have this. So this is what I use. There's no spice to this. Whatever is 100% pumpkin. Yeah, it's baby food. It's apple, pumpkin, cinnamon, baby food. But we're going to add this to it. And about 2 tablespoons of pumpkin spice Greek yogurt. So Chobani makes one. Waco, I think, makes one as well. But that's in there as well. And now we blend. So here's your smoothie. This is very good. So you can still taste banana, which really rounds out pumpkin, but you can't taste a lot of pumpkin spice. So it's just a good, still on a fruity side smoothie. So I suggest, if you would, on the spicer side with the pumpkin spice, add about a half a teaspoon of pumpkin pie spice to it. It does not need any sugar, added sugar whatsoever. The fruit that you added is enough to sweeten it, especially that banana in there, and the yogurt already has sugar in it as well. That helps as well. So this is decent. Not to mention you have pure pumpkin in there, you have apple in there. Yeah, well, this is good. This would be good on a fall morning for your kids for school. And you can add sweet potato to it and pumpkin, which are veggies, and they would never, ever, ever, ever know. Also, like a tablespoon of the Greek yogurt and a half cup of pumpkin, and we mixed it up and we just made a puppy smoothie. So Luna is not feeling left out. Oh, it's a hit. Our chili is done. We have a whole bowl. Didn't add anything to it. I didn't try it yet. So let's give it a try. It is mad hot. That's so good. You wouldn't even know there's pumpkin in this. This is just a great white bean turkey chili. So the addition of pumpkin is just an additional vegetable. It's that squash in there, extra vitamins, just makes it healthier. You can't, like I said, you can't taste it at all. So yeah, try this. This is very, very good. It's a great slow cooker recipe. I made a nice big crock pot full of it. So I really enjoy this a lot. I am going to devour this. I'm starving. I've been smelling this all day. If you like what you saw, give me a big thumbs up today. Comment below. Are you going to try turkey chili? With or without pumpkin? I think it would work either way. Pumpkin's a great addition though. If you haven't yet, please subscribe. Most of my viewers don't subscribe. I don't know why that happens. I guess it is what it is. But in the meantime, until we eat again, stay geeky.